Okay, here we are at Pattaya Beach in Thailand, and I'm gonna zoom in on the sign right there, and the sun is starting to go down, so we're catching some of the lights everywhere. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So let's just kind of show you what's around here. So we have some beach chairs, we have lights way in the distance of different churches. I guess it's a church way in the background as well. Let's see. Looks like there's quite a few different places. So let's just zoom down on the other side behind me and see what's over here as well. Beach chairs too. Busy street. So just scan it. Just scan all the way down. See what's down. So lots of people enjoying the sunset. Zoom out a little bit. So yeah, this is Pattaya Beach. So it's pretty quiet at the moment. Well, it's sunset, so. And way down there, it looks like there's like a little pier. Let's see what that is. Let's zoom in a little bit. Focus. And let's see, is it coming into focus? Not yet. Sometimes at nighttime it doesn't quite focus very well. But anyways, there's something down there. It looks like some kind of pier. Here you go. And the one behind me as well. There you go. There's the street behind you. Alright.